evening and welcome to Breaking Waves News. I am your host, Aodhan. We interrupt our regularly scheduled new channel program so that we can report on Hurricane Sally. I've had the luxury of meeting a few sailors locally while living here, and I'm going to share their story of the current situation. The first two sailboats in this feature could not leave Mobile, Alabama, which is a direct hit for Hurricane Sally. The first couple, Scott and Jill, have a Hunter Passage 450. They were unable to be hauled out for the storm, and they really couldn't evacuate due to work requirements. So, it's just tied off at the marina.
You're a pro at this.
The second channel is also stuck in Mobile, Alabama on the hard. They're known as Sailing Vessel Kakamora, or lovingly known as Two Nuts on a Boat. SV Kakamora is sailing an Endeavor Cat 1500. Our third couple this evening is Captain Jayme and Captain Morgan. They have a Freedom Yacht 35. They took off east to avoid the impact of what was considered a Cat 2 hurricane at the time.
All right, what's the wind doing?
Sailing.
No, how strong is the wind?
Oh.
24 knots. It is pouring.
Oh, there it goes.
It just lit up.
Yeah. Come on, baby.
Holy crap. Oh, you can't see anything.
Our last couple, Ashley and Angela, are from Pass Christian, Mississippi. They were the original impact area for Hurricane Sally. They decided to take their boat, Countdown, west and anchor out. If you're interested in following any of these couples, then please check out their links in the description of this video. Thank you for joining us this evening, and good night.